Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today, I would consider very healthy. Maybe not the most exciting day in terms of, you look at Friday where the price just made the huge explosive move. But in terms of kind of where the price consolidated, that's the name of the game. And sure, like I said, maybe this sideways price action is kind of boring. But if you look at the last time the price was going sideways, not to insult your intelligence, but that portion of the chart was well down there. So as long as quote-unquote boring areas keep getting higher and higher, that's what you want to see. That's how long-term uptrends are built, because those boring periods, as we call them in trading, are consolidation periods. So as long as price movement and price action continues to consolidate higher and higher, sure, it's boring, but overall it is healthy because, assuming you do care about the big picture of things, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. And to best illustrate this area of support that seems to have been established after today, that's going to be right up here at 16 cents. And 16 is what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly staying up above 16. But if the price falls below there, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because you still do have the 12-cent mark down here, which is being denoted by that green line. If you're curious why 12 cents is so important, I'm not going to go through all of that again. You can just watch the video from Friday, and I talk about the importance of that. But again, I don't want to talk about it here because really it's not totally relevant right now, given the price is doing a great job of staying all the way up there above 16 cents. So yeah, preferably speaking, 16 cents you want to see hold as support, but if it doesn't, 12 cents is going to be that must-hold area for the reasons described in Friday's video. What about levels of resistance? Well, what stands out to me right now is essentially this trend line resistance that has formed. So right there you can see over the past basically day and a half, the highs have been getting lower. Now that doesn't mean anything that, the price is for sure going to head downwards, but that's just what's creating this trend line here. So keep an eye on that. And if the price can break up through there, that would be in technical jargon known as a trend line breakout. And, that could definitely start to create some more organic momentum for the chart itself. But all in all, yeah, a little boring today, but still that boring period is happening at a higher level. And that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.